ever had a dream that felt like real life? Or maybe, have you ever had a real life feel like a dream? Good morning from Tahiti. For two.
How cute, you're all snuggled up. You're gonna sleep back here all night?
Oh oh, si tu veux on peut ride jusqu'à Vancouver ou bedon jusqu'au Mexique pour skip l'hiver. Je peux rouler jusqu'à l'autre bout du monde à la recherche des stations d'essence. Si je pouvais j'aurais une voiture volante. Road trip on the ocean with the old gang. Nous deux au top de la plus haute montagne. Oh wow, wow. Quand je suis high y'a pas de turbulence. Je fais juste tester mon endurance. Ce sera pas la première fois qu'un artiste arrive en ambulance.
Here's the bun. Oh! Oh, yeah. Let's invite them to come surfing with us.
Don't went surfing alone. He said it's super scary. Waves were big. The reef was shallow. Dad says he aspired to be more brave, just like me. I'm not, and Dorothy. Once upon a time, my big sister and my big brother swam with giant whales. Now, I'm 4 years old. It's my turn.
Whales straight ahead. We got dolphins and whales and Nutella all in the same morning. You see that?
Baby, baby, I want to travel to the most deepest levels. To the ocean, swim with the whales. To the mountains, we will sail. On the wings of hope and a prayer. See the city and all of my dreams come true. True, true with you. When I'm...
Do you know what this is called, guys?
No.
It's called poisson cru. It's like the national dish here in French Polynesia.
What's helicopter in French? What's helicopter in French?
What?
Helicopter in French.
You know a helicopter?
Helicopter, yes.
How do you say it in French?
Helicopter.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. Can you say it, Callie? Oh, it's perfect. A mouthful of Nutella is actually the correct pronunciation in French. Callie, you want to be on Mom's team or your own cards?
Your own card. What? Yeah, what? Elephants are about to get wild.
Oh, Callie, did you see Mom's cards?
Yes.
What does she have?
Golden. Mom, hiding the golden book baby somewhere. Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah.
Ha He's scrambling. He's scrambling.
Fight!
No, no.
Fight!
What is that?
Fight!
Wolf. No, it's a jackal.
Wolf.
I got a wild dog.
Dad, you're going down. Dad, you're going down.
No, what is that?
A vulture.
Oh, dang it. All right. Another vulture. We lived on the sailboat for many days. Things started to get screwy. I mean, crazy.
With you. When I'm just watching the world go by with you. Watching the world go by with you. There's nothing in my life that I'd rather do except watching the world go by with you. If I had
That's where you sleep?
Nice.
I was just watching dessert.
No.
Is it chocolate cake?
Oh wow.
Yum. I'm gonna make these at home. I never make these at home.
Callie, is it everything you dreamed of?
Yes. Thank you, Diane. Thank you, Diane. Thank you.
When I'm just watching the world go by with you. Watching the world go by with you. There's nothing in my life that I'd rather do except watching the world go by with you.
We went surfing. Actually, we like the Haitian dinghy surfing.
That was awesome. Woohoo! Yo, good job. Was that fun? Next up, we got Manila Bean. Yeah! Yeah, Manila. Sick.
Oh! Easy peasy?
Dude, you're rocking it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Callie, get holding on, bud. Manila, what is life? Great job, buddy.
Very good. And then, hey, listen. You get up slow, 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 okay?
I'm going slow too.
Okay, great. Hey, no, you don't let go.
Callie, this is different than wake surfing.
Yeah, you always hold on, okay?
This is
So you just hold on
Tahiti
tight.
dinghy
And
surfing.
then, hey, if you don't want to get on your feet, you can just lay there like this.
Yeah, if it's fun on your belly, just hang on your belly. Whatever you want to do, just freestyle it. You do you, Callie. Make it yours. 1 second, Callie. 1 second. We're fixing it. Good job, Dorothy. Thank you, Dorothy. All right, we're gonna start off super slow, Callie. You ready? Woohoo! Oh, he's going for it. Nice. Get up slow. Okay. 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 Woohoo! Yeah, Callie! That was great. You want to be all done or try it one more time? Okay. What do you say?
Try until I get it.
Okay. Yeah. All right, climb on the board. Can you climb on? There you go. All right, can you paddle to the blue rope behind you? See the blue rope? Grab the handle. Here it comes. No. Okay, you gotta get both, the rope and the board. You got this. Do you need Dorothy's help? All right, Dorothy, you're on. Thank you, Dorothy. Said I'm gonna keep trying until I get it. I don't know what he's saying. All right, go for it. pop up. Woo! Yeah, Kelly! There you go. Now you're far back enough.
So that time you stood up here. That's why you fell in. So stand up here. See? You're going to put 1 foot on the green, 1 foot in the middle. Okay?
You feeling ready for this?
Keep it up.
Whatever you were saying to yourself, keep saying it because it's working. You're doing awesome.
I said it's a bitsy spider.
You're awesome, Callie. I think he has to get to the end of his song before he pops up. Yeah, good job! Okay. Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! Yes! Yeah, Kelly! Woo! Yes! Yeah, Kelly! Hey! Whoa!
Ready for quarter life. Wow.
That was your best one, bud. You did it. All right, you want to come back in the boat?
One more, or are you all done? All done?
Again.
One more.
Again.
Okay, last time. Okay, climb on your board, please.
That was really good. It just looked like looked like you did it perfect. It just looked like you jumped off the board once you stood up.
Okay, lay down.
Callie, Callie. Oh, he's doing it. That was your best one.
I told Dad I'd keep trying it until I get it. Mommy and Daddy were really proud of me. Not because I stood up, but because my attitude. Did you see the last video? Remember when my dad was teaching me how to deep dive?
One's holding the front. Go for it.
Oh, fuck, tell me.
I didn't know why. He said someday you'll understand. Well, today is Sunday.
And where down we go, 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 go. Oh, where down we go.
It's time for us to use our deep diving skills to go swim with the humpback whales. We got in a small boat and set out to sea. Finding whales could take hours and hours and hours. This is not a zoo. This is the whale's natural habitat. So are shirts, no shirts, no snows, no shirts, and say some more. Dad says, I'll feel patience and good energy. The whales will find us.
It's whale time, buddy. Whale time.
It's time to get in the water.
Beautiful.
Let's go, both to me.
Here he comes. All right.
Good.
We swam until we could see the family of whales below us. And then we waited calmly at the surface. The animals could read our energy. If we had bad energy, the whales would swim away. But if you have good energy, you'll feel safe and be curious. There was a moment in the water. It was just me, my mommy, and my daddy. There was a baby whale and its mommy and its daddy, just like us. Step was for me to let go of my parents and to swim alone. If you dream big, your dreams may become a reality. But if you live big, then your reality might feel like a dream.
Sometimes I lay under the moon, I thank God I'm breathing, and then I pray, don't take me soon, I am here for a reason.